When you're on the road, you have to eat, and that means even when you're car camping. So, what are some of the top meals from 2021 for me? I'll show you. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RV Jedi, aka Carvy Jedi. And you know, when you're out car camping, you still want to eat well. You know my motto, no need to eat poorly on the road, and in 2021 car camping, we did not eat poorly at all. So here now, my top meals car camping for 2021. Number 3, spicy noodles. This was the first meal that I did car camping, and I set it up with doing a lot of my mise en place at home. You always want to prep stuff as quickly as you can. And then this was also the first time using my 2-burner Coleman stove, which I absolutely love. And in the end, this meal turned out to be one of the best for 2021. Spicy chorizo and andouille sausage with noodles. Let's taste it. Number 2, Pan Mussels. On the road car camping, you want to work efficiently. So pan meals really work well. In this case, we had some fresh mussels, we had some bacon, we had some vegetables, some tomatoes, some onions. We got it all in there, and we had some beer and some butter. You throw all of that in together, add in some crusty bread at the end, and that is the way to eat well on the road. My second best meal car camping in 2021. Mussels on the road, Carvy camping. Let's taste some of them. Perfect. I have some crusty bread that I'll dip in here and get some of that broth. A great way to chef it up on the road and have some fun. And the number 1 car camping meal in 2021, coffee spice rubbed pork chops. Okay, this is a meal that you're gonna have some butter, lots of butter to cook this one with. You can do the dry rub at home, put it on your pork chop, get it ready, and that'll hasten the cooking process when you are out on the road. Again, doing as much mise en place as you can ahead of time will really help you. I will again put a full link of everything for this particular meal as well in my description below. But this, folks, oh buddy, this was my favorite meal car camping on the road in 2021. Voila, and there you have it. Coffee spice rub bone-in pork chop with roasted potatoes, mushrooms, and green beans. I've got some toasted bread and a little mango cranberry juice here. I'm gonna dedicate this meal to Scott and his wife. They're camping here. He actually saw one of my previous videos and as he was driving by asked me, "Are you the guy who does videos?" I said yes. And we had a great conversation, talked for about, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And he talked about the fact that he and his wife follow along. They like when I chef it up. So this meal is for you guys. Let's test it. pork is perfect. And so are the vegetables. I'll put a link to the recipe down in the description below. This is an easy meal that you can do, most of it done at home before you even get out here. And it took me all of about 15 to 20 minutes to really cook it up. Wow. You know, I think I gained about 10 pounds just looking at this list. Some great meals here. I'm going to put a link to how you do everything over on my blog at rvjedi.com. You can go over there and see specific information about all of the meals I just shared with you. And you know what? When you get out car camping next year or even this year, make sure you treat yourself well, eat healthy, eat fun, do it up on the road. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at rvjedi. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at rvjedi.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun when you're car camping, and I think you'll enjoy yourself. We'll see you next time.